Well, the last piece to show you from this Camelot Royal Doulton set is that coffee pot. Holds about 2 pints, very nice bulbous shape. This one's in fantastic condition, made during the last quarter probably of the 20th century, maybe a little earlier than that. Nice bright transfer design all around, and the gilt decoration that's been hand applied around the handle, rim and on the lid, if I take the locking lid out just to show you, is in really nice bright condition. Very clean, retaining lip. It's got a very unique sort of drop design on the upper rim. Not round coffee pot, as you can see, it's flattened. It's more sort of ovoid than round, longer than it's deep, but very nice condition. Royal Doulton marks on the base, TC1016, copyright Doulton and Company, and the spout again with the gilt decoration. No warnings on this one at all. It's as bright as the day it came out of the factory and in fantastic condition. To support the sale of this coffee pot, we've also got some Demi-Task coffee cups and saucers. The milk jug and the quarter pint cream jug are available, and the small sugar bowl that went with the coffee set is also being listed currently on our website. So, opportunity to put an original Royal Doulton Camelot full coffee set on your table by amalgamating those pieces on offer on our website. This one's going on sale on the Vintage and Antiques website, and we'll pop a link below taking you through to that listing where all the measurements, dimensions and everything else you'd need to be able to make your decision as to whether this is the right coffee pot for you should be available for you. Thanks for watching.